తిరిగే లోపల లెక్చర్ నుంచి ప్రొఫెసర్ గా, ప్రొఫెసర్ నుంచి హెచ్ఓడిగా, హెచ్ఓడి నుంచి ప్రిన్సిపల్ గా, ఇంకా ప్రిన్సిపల్ నుంచి కాలేజ్ కి చైర్మన్ అయ్యేలా చేసామి. So Bob is a lecturer and Sharvananda, I must drop it. I am going to shake. Wrong class ki vachana enti. Come in. What? Without permission you go and sit in. You know what is the meaning of may I come in? And what? Come on, etiquette. Come friend, I say. Hello, they are not reserved seats. Where are everyone? It's already time. Sir, mella vastara. Okay, I am your new faculty, Sharvananda Tirupati. I am going to teach you concrete technology. It is very important in civil engineering.
Local Kirana.
What is that asking, Ra? Sir, Kirana? You know.
Never said Tichana Kirana, Machana Kirana, San local Kirana, Narina.
Ammo, in the Petkunte Ani Anela first class. Okay, come sit. What I was telling, concrete technology, very important in civil engineering.
Sir, they are coming, sir.
Where you are standing? What you are asking? You know the meaning of may I come in? You do engineering, don't do engineering. Go to village and do some work. Idiot, go. What I was telling? Concrete technology, very important in civil engineering. Concrete.
Hello, Edunora. Hi. Cinema kallama, cricket match kallama. Okay. Te cinema ke Bahubali ya? Okay, Srimantudu release ayindi kada polam. నేను book chestati.
Phone purchasing, interested in the part. What I was telling, concrete technology, very important.